Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2007 BK Mazda 3 SP23 Sedan. Stock reference number 3944. This shape runs from the first month 2004 through to the fourth month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. At the left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch white spoke alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror is faded on top. Left front door has one small dent, as does the left rear door. Left side skirt. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Bumper has a couple of little scuffs on the corner. SP23 type. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory white spoke alloy mag with a good tyre. Right side skirt. Right rear door has a few dents down the lower edge. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.